So this is the latest addition to the man cave. It's a little bit old, but it'll do. It's a little lathe. It's a Sheldon lathe, built sometime in the early 1940s, not quite sure exactly when, but it's got all the bits and pieces you need. Obviously a variety of belts there, threading stuff, and it's got a power cross feed, which is fantastic. It's got a compound slide and everything, but the problem is we've got a little bit of play in that, and this is far too loose, and the clutch doesn't work. I can't get the cross slide bit to move at all. Half that works. There's a little bit of play on this as well, on the shaft of the tailstock, but it's in great condition. So I just need to do a little bit of strip it all apart, see if you can get it to work. I know the motor works, but I'm not going to do anything until I've had time to have a look at all the bearings.